Hey, what's going on, Backyard Dippers? John from CircuPool here. Today I'd like to do a what's in the box video for one of our most popular salt systems in the lineup. It's going to be the RJ series made by the brand CircuPool. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so now we're going to be going over what's inside the box and what you're going to be getting when you purchase the system. Here's a view of everything included in the box laid out. Now guys, remember this is a third generation RJ series model. It's available in 5 different capacities. So finding one for your size pool shouldn't be a problem. Installation is very easy and do-it-yourself friendly. The average install time customers report is about 45 minutes or less. Okay, not a long process. It comes with 3 main components. You got your control box, this is the brain of the whole thing. The cell, this is where the chlorine production takes place, and the flow sensor. Also included, you've got some small basic things in the box as well. This is going to be your RJ series manual, your help guides, your unions for 2-inch and 1.5-inch plumbing, as well as some bracket and hardware for your base. Back to the controls, they have an OLED backlit display screen and touch keypad. All right, very nice high-end features. Keypad allows users to easily control the system and go through the display. It's simple, and within a minute or so, you should be able to learn how to operate it. All right, not a long learning curve. The construction is pretty heavy duty. As soon as you pick this thing up, you can tell the quality. It weighs about 22 pounds in itself. Also, this die-cast aluminum base has a built-in heat sink. All right, this means that all that heat built up by the transformer inside is dissipated through these fins, allowing the unit to work more efficiently and keep all those electronics cooler inside. Flow sensor is basic and uses standard technology you'll find on most salt systems out there. What's cool about it is it allows you to use any type of pump you want out there. Okay, variable speed, single stage, this little thing allows you to do it. And it's simple. The water flows through here, compresses this plunger, and sends a signal up through this line to your box, letting it know that it's safe to turn on. The cell is another thing that sets this model apart. As you can see, it's clear and transparent. All right, this means you can see it working, see the chlorine production taking place, and it's easy to check inside without taking your equipment all apart. It's also the same dimensions and threads as Hayward salt systems, meaning for many people coming from Hayward units, installation could take mere minutes. Most importantly, inside this cell is extended lifespan titanium plates. All right? They have more than 50% longer lifespan than other models, so longevity is a huge plus with this model. This particular series has a 7-year limited warranty, and this is big, folks, with no warranty penalty if it's not professionally installed. All right, this means you still get the whole warranty if you, your friend, or even a handyman installs it. All right, that's something a lot of people don't realize. It just isn't always the case with everything out there. So with the unions and other hardware here, that's a complete RJ system laid out for you. You can see customer reviews, a complete specs, and brand comparison chart on our website, discountsaltpool.com. That way you can see how it stacks up with all the other brands we carry. There's a lot of them, 9 different brands and models. So plenty to choose from. You got to see which one's best for you. Again, I'm John. I want to thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. And remember, we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.